Hey friends, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Sunday, it's family day, and I've got family coming to the house for grilling out. We're gonna be grilling out some pork steak and some Italian barbecue chicken. Now guys, I'm making a delicious side dish that pairs perfectly with anything on the grill, especially barbecue. So guys, we're making a brown sugar green bean. I haven't made this in a long time, so I'm really looking forward to it. You can use fresh green beans or canned green beans. Today, I'm taking the easy way out because it's Sunday and we're getting some rest in. So I'm using canned green beans today. Either way is perfectly fine. You get to decide if you want to use fresh or canned. If you use fresh, it'll take a little longer for it to cook, of course. So let me just show you how fast this is. If you've had this recipe before, in the comments say I've had it and I love it, because I know if you've had it before, you absolutely loved it. And if you've never tried this before, I'm so excited for you. Give me some hearts in the comments and share this video. Please do that. If it sounds delicious, give me some hearts in the comments and share this video. If you've had it before, say I've had it and I love it. Brown sugar green beans, totally keto, fits your low carb lifestyle, your keto lifestyle, and it is fabulous. So we're gonna start off with a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So we got that butter in here, we melted it. Uh-oh, here comes somebody. Somebody's here. We got the family coming this afternoon. What are you doing today? Do you guys have a family day? Like Sundays are our family day, generally, pretty much every Sunday as long as we're home. And we just have everyone over to hang out and to eat and just to have good conversation. I'm excited to talk all about my Switzerland trip with Mom because I haven't seen her yet since I've gotten home. All right, we've got our melted butter. So 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Now we're gonna use the absolute most important part of the recipe, and it is brown sugar. This is called brown sugar green beans. Now I'm going to show you why this fits your keto or low carb lifestyle, and that's because it's not regular cane sugar, it's the Swerve brown sugar. Guys, this lasts me so long. As long as you seal it up tight, you can use this for a long time. This actually says it was good or best to use by February 2025. We're going to continue using it because it's delicious and I've kept it sealed really good. So when you buy this, it'll last you a long time. I like the Swerve brown sugar because it's low carb, it's keto, and it really tastes very similar to regular brown sugar. It makes the most awesome recipes. I just don't use it very often. So I normally don't buy things that I don't use quite often. But like I said, this bag will last you a long time. Just keep it good and sealed. So we've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar Swerve. 1/4 cup, we're going to put it right into the butter. So 4 tablespoons melted butter, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar Swerve. Let's keep going, guys. We're almost done. This recipe is so simple. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And with the brown sugar and the butter. Yes. If that sounds good, give me some hearts in the comments and share this video. And then we've got our seasoning addition, which is 1½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm using 3 cans of ground beans, brown beans. I'm using 3 cans of green beans. You can use canned green beans or fresh, and you can use as many as you want. I like this mix, this blend of the sweetness because it's just perfect. It's soy sauce, brown sugar, butter, and garlic powder, and it makes this really nice brown sugar paste that we're fixing to pour over our green beans. But before we do that, we have to add bacon. Guys, bacon makes this taste so good. So it's brown sugar and bacon, green beans. And I cook my bacon into small pieces. Now with the bacon, I don't cook it all the way. And this is the reason. We're fixing to put this into the oven on 350, and we're gonna cook it for a good 40 minutes. I want all these seasonings to mix really good. So when you put the bacon in the oven, it's gonna continue to cook. So I don't cook it all the way. I cook it probably halfway, maybe even less. Another reason I do that is as the bacon's cooking, that bacon grease is going to make this taste even better. Hey, Chastity, how are you, Debbie? I see you guys. All right, so we got the green beans, we've got the bacon, we've got our mix that we're fixing to put in here. I'm going to go over this one last time. We're just going to pour it right over the top, and then we're going to stir it in. So this is a 1/4 cup of Swerve brown sugar, 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Just mix all of that together, pour it over the green beans and the bacon. We got the oven on 350, and we're going to cook this for a good 40 minutes or so. You can actually cook it shorter time if you want, You can cook it longer on lower heat if you want, but we just want all of these flavors to mix together. And I'm telling you, if you haven't had this yet, you guys are going to love me. And you're going to want to cook it all the time because it's just absolutely delicious. So it's not too sweet, but it's got a sweet and tangy, and as well as the bacon. I think somebody's coming in. All right, so are you guys cooking for your family today? Sunday is family day at our house, and we generally have anywhere from 6 to 15 people over here. I don't know who else coming today. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today we're only having 7. We got 7 people coming today. I invited more, but that's okay. All right, here we go. This does not look good, y'all. If it sounds good to you, give me some hearts. No need for salt or pepper because the seasoning is going to season the green beans up perfectly. And you just want to make sure you toss it around. Now, as it cooks, you know the sauce is going to get thin, and it will be easier to stir in later. All right, and the reason I don't cook the bacon all the way is because we're putting this in the oven, and you don't want that bacon to get burned. Woo, yes, it's going to be good, y'all. Give me some hearts if it sounds delicious, and share this video. If you have questions for me right now, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'm going to come right back and see if you have any questions for me. Anything related to low-carb keto, love side dishes. I normally do simple things like roasting everything. I love to roast broccoli. I love to roast green beans. I love to roast asparagus, cabbage, like just roasting vegetables in salt, pepper. Heavily drizzled avocado oil is the best and most simplest way to cook the most delicious side dish. But every once in a while, I like to do something a little fancier. So this is my brown sugar green beans. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me stick it in the oven real quick. Now you can do as much bacon as you want. You can do as many green beans as you want. The sauce that I told you though, it's like the perfect hint of sweet and a little tang. So it's so delicious. All right, I see you guys on here. Does anyone have any friends? I'm reading that, Chastity. It says, hello, friends. Does anybody have any questions? Hey, Linda. Just for me, slow cooker roast and vegetables. Yum. Watching from Pensacola Beach. My mom just got back from, what's the name of that place, Ricky? Oh, darn. It's a beach we haven't never been to before. It's close to Pensacola, or fairly close. Lord, I can't remember the name of it. She just got back yesterday. Mamar? I think she just got back from Mamar. Never been there before. We're going to Panama City in another week or so. And we're just going to go have a lazy week on the beach. Be working. I'll have to definitely take my computer and work this time, but that's okay. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to jump off here so I can go ahead and clean up this little tiny mess. It doesn't make much mess in this recipe. I hope you guys have a great Sunday afternoon, and I will be seeing all of you guys later. Bye.